The story begins in the dense bamboo forests of China, India, and Southeast Asia. Regions where bamboo grows at lightning speed. Bamboo is harvested once it reaches maturity, typically 3 to 5 years old. Why so fast? Because bamboo is technically a grass, not a tree. It can grow up to 90 centimeters, almost 3 feet, in a single day. Workers carefully cut each stalk to avoid damaging the roots. This way, the plant can regrow and be harvested again, making bamboo one of the most sustainable building materials on Earth. Once harvested, millions of tons of bamboo are transported to processing factories. But not all bamboo is the same. The thick, strong culms, or stems, are sorted for structural uses like plywood and construction materials. The thinner, straighter stalks? Perfect for making chopsticks or crafts. Every single piece is graded by thickness, length, and density, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. For plywood production, bamboo culms are sliced into thin strips, steamed to remove sugars, and dried to prevent mold. Next, these strips are laminated, stacked layer upon layer, with adhesives and pressed under high heat. The result? Bamboo plywood, stronger and lighter than traditional wood. Resistant to warping, and perfect for flooring, cabinets, and furniture. In fact, some skyscrapers and modular homes now use bamboo-based panels, because they're eco-friendly and durable. But bamboo's journey doesn't stop at plywood. In many countries, entire houses are built from bamboo. Strong enough to withstand earthquakes. Flexible enough to bend under heavy wind. Bamboo structures can last for decades when treated properly. In rural Asia and even luxury eco-resorts worldwide, architects are embracing bamboo for its beauty, strength, and sustainability. And in cities like Hong Kong, bamboo scaffolding still supports skyscraper construction, a method trusted for centuries. And what about something much smaller, like chopsticks? For this, thinner, straight bamboo poles are sliced into long sticks, machine cut to perfect size, and sanded smooth. Some chopsticks are polished and lacquered for reuse in restaurants. Others are packaged as disposable sets for daily meals. With over 80 billion chopsticks produced yearly in China alone. This humble use of bamboo is big business. Even the waste from bamboo processing doesn't go unused. Shavings and sawdust are pressed into fuel briquettes. As the world seeks greener solutions, bamboo's role will only grow. This plant is changing industries, and shaping the future. All from millions of tons of simple, swaying bamboo. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fascinating processes.